I cannot wait to tell you about this company, Deminuage Skincare. They sent me over the most amazing item that I am super excited to tell you all about. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette and welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video. It is another skincare video. I've been loving all of the skincare products that I've been getting sent lately. This one is from a company called Deminuage, and they sent me the coolest NanoPen Rejuvenating Repair Mask Kit. And I cannot wait to show you everything that's inside, tell you a little bit about the company, and show you a demo of me using the products. I think it's going to be very, very helpful to you all, especially if you have skin like mine that is oily, acne prone, and just needs a little bit of TLC every now and again. Let me tell you all about this, and let's get started. So about the company, Deminuage's mission is to empower people of all skin types to take rejuvenation into their own hands. We're committed to replacing time-consuming office visits with affordable medical spa-grade treatments that you can use at the comfort of your own home. You'll enjoy safe, instantaneous results with no downtime. Their products, while they are very pricey, it is an investment. Skincare is an investment at times. I mean, I know I have a lot of products that I get from, Walgreens or Rite Aid, over-the-counter products that are not expensive. And those do a great job with helping to treat my skin, or for whatever reason I am using them, like maybe a good skincare mask. I do have a lot of good products from the drugstore, but when you need extra help with your skin, especially my skin since it's acne prone, then you will need to go to sometimes a dermatologist. You'll need to go get facials. You'll need to go to like an esthetician's office or something like that, because sometimes a lot of the acne or a lot of the problems like hyperpigmentation and dark spots, that stuff is underneath the skin. You need medical grade technology or products that will help to rejuvenate the skin from the inside, the inner layers out, if you know what I mean. Let me know in the comment section down below what kind of skin do you have and what are your favorite products that you use. And let's continue. That's another plus for me. You can do this at home. You can do this whole treatment at home, make it a nice little spa evening for yourself. And I absolutely love that. I love anything that you can do at home. You don't have to break the bank, but you also get a spa treatment at home. I love that feeling. And there's no downtime. So let me explain to you the process and show you the kit. So the kit, first of all, I absolutely love how it looks. I'm going to show you some up close shots right here. It is so pretty. It says, "Hello beautiful, it's your time to shine." It comes with a product registration card as well as a little pamphlet that gives you detailed instructions about how to use it. I'm going to reference this pamphlet when I go through the steps of how I use it and show you my demo. Their revolutionary delivery of using QuickPore Technology and a nano chip powered by a grid of microscopic nanotips that are almost invisible to the naked eye. That's what you are using when you use this product right here. That is so cool. I think that is the most advanced thing that I've ever heard of. So this is like microneedling, if you will. I know we've all seen the microneedling tools that look like this. I'm going to put it up on the screen right here. I'm going to show you what the old video, the thumbnail looks like right here. This is my old video that I did doing microneedling. This is like a much more advanced way of microneedling. And it's going to help you, of course, with your skin if you have any skincare concerns, and if you have acne, hyperpigmentation. It's definitely going to help the products penetrate into the other layers of your skin. So I think that's very, very cool. Let me show you the demo. Made from monocrystalline silicone, each nano tip has a nanometer grade tip to ensure safe and painless delivery, and a micrometer grade body to ensure mechanical strength. When the nano tips are applied directly to the skin, they temporarily create microscale channels in the outer layer of the skin to help transport active ingredients into the deeper layers. Overcoming the skin barrier allows for 10 to 20 times better absorption of these ingredients. Because these nano tips reach the outer layers of the skin, there is no pain, bleeding, or discomfort. The microscale channels close within 20 minutes of use to ensure both efficacy and safety. So it's both efficient as well as safe to use at home. And when you microneedle into your skin, everything closes up within 20 minutes just to ensure you're safe. These are 5 daily nano chips that you can use daily to gently condition your skin. I got 2 in my kit, and then you also have 5 booster nano chips, which you use 1 to 2 times weekly for a deep boost. Here is everything again, and here is the brightening serum that you're supposed to use. It's their brightening serum, as well as a soothing and rejuvenating repair mask. Now, here's the demo part now. My skin is very, very nice and clean. Make sure I got off all my makeup, everything, and now I am going in with the serum. I just open up the serum and use the tip that comes inside of the package with it, just so the serum is able to be evenly distributed across my face. And I work on one section at a time. First I work on my cheeks, and then I work on my chin, and then I do my forehead and my nose last.
If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you again.
comes to the nose as well as under the eyes, you want to make sure you use a stamping motion, as you can see me doing. You don't want to tug those areas or the skin around those areas too much, because the skin on your nose, the skin definitely around your eyes is very, very, very sensitive. So you want to be very, very gentle with it. And that is it. I absolutely love this product. I think it is amazing. Now my skin, let me get into my experience the first time I used it. The first time I used this product, my skin purged like crazy. And that is because I do wear makeup, you know, I do wear foundations, concealer, so all of that had to come out from my skin. I never use a product like this, so my skin is not used to being purged or used to getting into the deeper layers of my skin. So I think everything that's underneath there, the texture that it causes, is coming out now. So I think that's why my skin started to feel just a slightly irritated. And that's when I went in with the soothing and rejuvenating repair mask at the end. I usually use that if my skin starts to feel a little bit irritated after using the NanoPen and the Nano Chips. I think that's why that happened the first time. The second time, as you can see here, I think my skin is getting a little bit more accustomed to it. And now it's like, oh, okay, so she's purging us from the inside out. So now my skin is reacting much more better to it. And I absolutely love the results. I noticed that my skin is getting a lot more texture than usual. It's not as smooth. So I think using this in particular is definitely going to help with the texture problem that I'm having with my skin. I can definitely see it just from putting on my makeup today to make this video. I can see that my skin is starting to look more smoother. It definitely feels so much more softer, and I know it's because of this product. This is the only product that I've been using. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Not forget to check out Deminuage. I think you will definitely like their products. Like I said, I'm going to put it on the screen right here how much their products cost. It is a bit more pricier, but I'm sure that you will enjoy it if you do decide to purchase. Let me know what do you like to use down below. As I always say, thank you all so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, The Luxe Princess, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to check out the description box down below, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.